Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to Coinbase. Coinmarketcap itself does not hold any cryptocurrencies or fiat money. It is an informational resource for tracking prices, market capitalization, and other data related to cryptocurrencies. However, you can transfer money or cryptocurrencies from a wallet or exchange that you track using Coinmarketcap to Coinbase. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. 1. Prepare the transfer from your wallet/exchange. Log into the wallet or exchange where your cryptocurrencies are held. Navigate to the section where you can send or withdraw funds. This is typically labeled as send, withdraw, or something similar. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. 2. Get your Coinbase wallet address. Log into your Coinbase account. Go to the assets or portfolio section and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Click on Receive to generate your Coinbase wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. This will be a long string of letters and numbers. Copy this address. Last, and 3, complete the transfer. Go back to your wallet or exchange from which you are sending the cryptocurrency. Paste the copied Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Double check all details to ensure accuracy, including the correct cryptocurrency and wallet address. Confirm and initiate the transfer. Depending on the cryptocurrency, this process could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours or even days. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds should appear in your Coinbase account. Always verify the receiving address and transfer details to avoid any loss of funds.